Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete search history on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my phone. Now I'll tap on Facebook. And now you can see I am here in my Facebook. Now to find the search history, on the top right you can find here is magnifying glass. Tap on this. And now you can see here is recent. That means these are the recent searches which I made. Now to clear them all, tap on this see all, and over here you can find all the searches you made. Now to clear them all, on the top right you can see here is clear all. Tap on this, and now you can see this pop up as clear all searches and visits. You can just read it and tap on this clear all. Now you can see there is nothing to see here. That means all the search history of Facebook is deleted. So in this way we can delete search history on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.